By the end of the video, you will learn to install Axdone Center 10.1. All the bugs in the previous versions has been fixed and the latest version is loaded with lots of new features. Moreover, the UI has also been changed. To install the software, first of all, you need to open your browser. After that, you need to search Axdone 360. Then press enter. You need to go to the first website, axdone360.com. From here, you need to go to the product section. Here you will find the latest version and latest update. The latest updated version is 10.1, which is uploaded at 18/6/2023. You can simply click this update now button. After that, you can simply click download anyway. You can see that the downloading has been started. Once the download has been completed, you need to right click the file and you need to extract it. You can use 7-zip, WinRAR or any other extraction tools for the process. For time being, I am using WinRAR. After that, it's very simple to extract a file. You need to simply right click the file and extract here. If you are using 7-zip, you need to just navigate to 7-zip and you need to just extract to the particular file name. Our file name is setup 10.1 like this. It will ask for a password. To get the password, simply message me on the number which is showing in the screen. And to get more details about the software, simply you can message there. After that, you need to get into this folder. Then you can see setup 10.1.exe. After that, you need to double click. Click yes. Then you need to click next, next, next. As you can see, it has started the installation. After that, you need to click launch Axdone Center Pro, then click finish. As you can see, we have successfully installed our Axdone 360 Center Pro 10.1. To get the license, you want to copy this request key and send it to our number. To get the license, simply copy the request key and send to us, and we will provide you a license like this. Once you get the license or code like this, you need to simply paste it right here in this box. After that, you need to click validate and wait for 2 to 3 seconds, and you can see it will show your license name, email, mobile number, expiry date, all the features enabled, etc. After that, you need to click activate. Then you can see your license is successfully activated. After that, you need to click OK. So like this, easily you can download and install the software. As you can see, in old versions, number filter were not working, but in the software, number filter is working crystal clear, group grabber is working fine, Google Map extractor is updated, and moreover, we have added some new features like you can get country codes of all the country, and moreover, you can import messages directly from text files, and you can create multiple profiles, etc. This is just an installation video and a small demonstration, but as soon as possible, we will upload a fully detailed video.